Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to use a template in SharePoint step by step. I'll be showing this in SharePoint Online on Microsoft 365. First, head to your SharePoint site. At the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. This opens the Settings panel. In that Settings panel, look for and select Apply a Site Template. This opens up the template gallery, where you'll see all the available templates you can use. The gallery is organized into tabs. You'll see one called From Microsoft and another called From Your Organization. Browse through these. The templates you see will depend on your site type, whether it's a communication site or a team site. Once you've found a template you want to use, click on it to select it. This expands the template and shows you an additional information panel with more details, including a preview and description of what the template includes. Review this information to make sure it fits what you need for your site. When you're ready to go ahead, click the Use Template button. You'll find this in the Template Details panel. SharePoint will start running the site scripts in the background to apply your chosen template. You'll see a processing indicator appear on screen. Now, just wait while SharePoint does its work. The scripts need to run and configure everything. Depending on how complex the template is and what it includes, this can take anywhere from a few seconds up to around 10 minutes for larger templates. When the scripts are complete, the page will refresh automatically and you'll see the template has been applied with all its content and configuration. A couple of important things to note here. When you apply a template to an existing site, your old content doesn't automatically merge with the new template. SharePoint creates a new default homepage along with other new content from the template. Your existing pages, libraries, and lists are all saved, though you can access them by going to Site Contents. You can also customize the template further after it's been applied. Edit pages, add web parts, adjust the branding, whatever you need to make it work for you. And if you want to see a history of all the templates you've applied to a site, go back to Settings, click Site Information, and select View Template History. And that's how to use a template in SharePoint. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.